I'm here with powerful women of Reproductive Health Association of South Sudan, and today I need them to share with us some experience or some advantage of family planning or contraceptives, especially for young people. Just hear from them what they're going to say. You will love it.
Thank you so much. We are here as a group. Our topic is family planning for adults and also young people. Advantage of family planning to the younger one, of course, it allows them to finish their school and they will plan for their future. And then for adult also is good to space. Children will have a good school, dressing well, and then also for their health, like for uterus also to prepare for the next pregnancy. Maybe my sister also can translate in Arabic
Okay.
so that each and everybody has to understand the benefit of family planning.
Yeah, let's hear from her.
اوكي مهمة تنظيم أسرة لبنات أنا لسه في المدرسة أنا جيشجع من إنه هو كويس كان زول خلص المدرسة تو عشان ده بكرة ما برجع لنا ورا عشان كيف ما بيجيني زي الناس اللي بلد طبعا جيت قدام وشوكولات فيه وزول ما عنده سيرتيفيكيت ويتا بيجيني تابان هو إذا واحد ما بيساعده ده أسباب ما جيشجع كلي بنات كلا في المدرسة وتنظيم أسرة ده في تابانات أسرة على جيشيلو لكن ده عشان بيكلموا قال كلموا نشيلو عشان كيف برا لفو أو لانغا مع رجال كتير كان عنده حبيبتك واحد كلي تكون أمين لحبيبتك ده kalita marua kala na kutu tenzim kalas itabilifu ma mono itabilifu ma x ma b ma c ma s yala zada ma kwes la anu zado kanta limu wasaka ketir wa ferehim itamaru weledo ma bejigija lo mo kala tenzim osra tarawan italifu sambala na der kan zola leja na bidere so eno tenzim osra fika beni akida lakini kanta shilu mataro lifu ketir kun amin le zolta kal wahide o kalita kala so madrasa kanta kala so bel kas ita bukura ya bukun mustaqbal tanna ta bukura kanan na biga mafi ita ya sadu ba musu ku shokolle wata be sadu mujtama tanna na ma bereja tanna lina bayano iyal sukerin fisika binia suker der wele do ma ba ke der basia fistula musu ko au nasura al buli kaman tanin ita bayanu zede binia zado uroa enak wale delisa suker ita rijale mamata ni tegla jua bed anna mader kalam zede so na der eno sala ta ja pitenzi usra kamantana irshadat zado muhim ashan tabaru tabi ishke zado habib de ita bagna o kef kano deramlo ontes so ana geshajeta kombanat kalita konja في مراكز تانية لفيتا كم بسمع معلومات زيادة عن تنظيم أسرة بأنواع مختلف.
واو شكرا كنا اسمع من واحد من هون تاني وكمان عندنا كمان ولد راجل كمان في الناس تانينا بسمع من هون اها مدام Just tell us the benefits of family planning, especially for young girls.
Okay, the benefit of family planning for young girls, if they use family planning, it allows them to continue with the education, which means they'll be able to succeed with their education because while they are in the method. And for women, the benefit of family planning, it keep you very healthy. When you space the children, and then your body also regain power, especially the uterus. Like if you space the children delivering after 2 years or after 3 years, when the uterus has gone back to its own original place, so that next time when you conceive, the uterus will be ready. It will be, the muscle will be strong to keep the baby safe.
Yeah.
Then another benefit of family planning, it also helps us to plan. To help the government to plan. Yeah, according to what the resources you may have in the country. When children are abnormal, the government may fail to plan. Even you, the parent, not government alone. Yeah, so when the number of children are manageable, so the planning will be very easy. Then also in the part of educational, these few children, the parent may be able to support them in education compared to the life of today. When you have 8, 9 children, their education may end on that way.
Wow.
So
Thank
those are the
you.
few benefits
Thank you.
of family planning.
Thank you so much. So family planning is very, very important. So let's use family planning, young girls, and enjoy our education and also maintain our health. It's very, very important. Thank you. Thank you.